raisins.
Oh, can
And
we
this
have
is for you.
Oh,
have
thank you.
plates?
Yes.
Can you get us some plates?
Ice cream. Ice
Ooh.
cream. Ice cream.
Julia, where's those little blue plates that you just had?
Yeah.
It's in here. One plate at a time.
Let Johnny get it. Thank you. Do you have forks there somewhere?
Look at Mom. Ice cream. Ice cream.
Ooh, wow.
Daddy, look.
Oh, I
ice
see
cream.
it. That's cool.
Ice cream.
Johnny, I think I see some forks and things in here.
Cool. That's exciting. Your dad?
Oh, thank you. Oh, I needed that. Yeah.
I remember we had spoons.
Spaghetti and a knife. No
Yeah.
plate.
No.
Grandma?
Oh, thank you.
Look at the cracker.
Wow.
This is the special. And I can see chocolate. Look, I found.
That's a tortilla. You use it to make tacos. Oh, do I get it with, I think these are beans. Tortilla and beans.
They kind of go together.
That's a bagel. It's a bagel. You put cream cheese on it.
I found candy.
Yeah, that's chocolate.
I found chocolate candy.
Oh, that's nice.
Just eat it for pretend, Johnny.
Yeah. There you go. That's better.
I can see plum.
That's eggplant.
Hot dog. We never seen a hot dog toy.
Wow.
Ooh.
Maybe you can put it in a microwave. Do you see the microwave? Where's the microwave at?
Right here.
No, that's the cupboard.
It's over there by Julia, up there.
This is the microwave.
That's the microwave, yeah.
And look, I can see an apple toy.
What's in
I found
there?
an apple toy. I found an apple toy and the lettuce.
Hello.
Hello. It's your dad.
Is my dad?
It's Papa?
Papa?
Yes. It's pizza.
What's he say?
Pizza. Pizza.
Oh,
It's
yum. Hi, Papa. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Bye. Salt.
Bye.
Bye.
Salt. That's Papa's
Salt and pepper. You guys could do some good cooking with this. Santa really knew what you wanted.
Look. Ooh.
Wow. What can you put in the bowl?
Nothing.
What's this? Right here.
There's.
Is that? I think that's a shopping bag, so you can pretend to go to the store for food.
Ooh, yeah, that's a good idea. I found bowls.
What can we put in the bowls? Look in the food basket. You see something that goes in a bowl? Oh, a potato?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And you like this?
Eggplant?
You like it?
I don't like eggplant.
I found a waffle to toast. A waffle to toast.
A waffle and
Beans.
Okay.
Look,
Potato
look
and
at that.
beans? Yeah. I like
Oh, nice.
A waffle to toast.
Waffle and toast?
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
Oh, I heard. Oh, that's Grandma.
Say Merry Christmas, Grandma.
Merry Christmas, Grandma. And I found another one. Bye. I found another one.
Oh, boy. This is a lot of food. Do you see any bacon in there?
Oh, yes. I can see some. I find.
That's ice cream.
I found ice cream for you, Dad.
Ooh, ice cream. I like ice cream. Oh, thank you.
I'm putting it in there.
Are you going to put it in my cup?
And this is mac and cheese for you.
Oh, a cookie.
Alright.
Yeah. Never seen a cookie toy.
Wow.
Are you done with that mac and cheese? I found. Daddy.
Oh, wow. What's that? It's a hamburger bun?
Yeah, that's bread for a hamburger.
Wow, you guys got a lot of good stuff.
Here.
This is juice for you, Dad.